Hi, hello guys. Today we are going to install Ollama on our systems. So open your browser and search for Ollama official website. Open the link to download Ollama on Windows. Click on download for Windows. The .exe file has started downloading. I have already downloaded Ollama, so we'll double click on Ollama. Now click on install to start downloading Ollama files on your system. By the time the ollama is installing, we'll go to our browsers and search for models. Now you are in website, click on models and search for your favorite model. So I wanna run Gemma 3 and the smallest model available for Gemma 3 is 270M. We'll copy the link to download Gemma 3 and we will open our terminal to paste this command and run the command. I have pasted the command. Let's check the command is correct or wrong. Yeah, the command is correct. Now click enter to run the command. Remember, you need some disk space to download the model. As we are running the smallest model of Gemma 3, we need less amount of disk space. And to load the model and to get answers from the model, you need a specific type of RAM like VRAM. If you have VRAM, it is easy to run the model. If you don't have much VRAM sufficient for your GPU, you can't run the model. I have small GPU in my laptop, so I'm running the smallest model available. After it is downloaded, it will be loaded into your RAM and it can give answers through RAM, not from ROM. So you need more RAM. If you have VRAM, it is easy to run. If you have normal RAM, you can't, but it will run, but it will be slower. Now we can chat with our chat bot. It is local, offline, and it is not connected to internet. It can answer your all questions in offline. Now to get out of this chat, we need to type this command. Now let's see how many models we have installed. Just type ollama list. It will list all the models which we have downloaded. We can see we have Gemma 3 270M and we can remove models by ollama rm Gemma 3 270M. Yeah, we are typing the this command. As we removed all models, now let's see the process of uninstalling ollama from your system. Okay, go to your search and type control panel. Open control panel and select uninstall a program. This process will remove the program from your computer permanently if you don't want to use your system resources to run local models. So we are uninstalling the ollama. We can see uninstalling ollama. It is uninstalling, and this is the process to install and uninstall ollama on Windows. Please like and subscribe to our channel, guys, for more such content. Thank you for watching.